In the world, there are lots of people are can't able to share their screen to their computer Windows 10 due to this type of problem. To solve it, let's begin. Hello guys, my name is Charchit Sogani. Welcome to CS Creators YouTube channel. So guys, to fix it, all you need to do is open your device manager by searching in search box, and in the device manager in network adapter, right click on your second driver and then click on update driver, and then search automatically for updated driver software, and then if it show any update, then update it. Your problem was fixed. So guys, if your problem was fixed, then make sure to like this video and share it to your all friends, and for more updates make sure to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.
Storybox Audio.